We stand firm with the war veterans in their unequivocal rejection of Constitutional Amendment Act 3 in its entirety. The Constitution of Zimbabwe belongs to the people, not to any individual, political party, or a temporary office holder. Any attempt to undermine it through an illegitimate process is an assault to our democracy, our sovereignty, and the sacrifices made by the generations of Zimbabweans. Nzanabena mashoko anobuda panguva ine atiri kuona kuti Jehovha ngarivume ouya panguva ine achisapota nhau yekuti we must go against this constitutional amendment act yakapaswa, and also we must support the war veterans 10-point response to Cap 3. Don't forget to subscribe or like on the bell. I would enter the people of Zimbabwe are now preparing to peacefully engage the state in accordance with the Section 59 of the Constitution, which guarantees every citizen the right to demonstrate and present petitions peacefully. The announcements will be made soon. They call upon every Zimbabwean to stand united, courageous, and disciplined. Our struggle is our bright night, and our resistance shall remain peaceful, constitutional, and unwavering until dictatorship gives way to freedom. The people will decide. And posted these 10 points in a General Muchena. I want to go agency. The 2018 constitution will not be surrendered to fear. We must now organize, mobilize, and resist, reject. We will not flinch and we will not break the law to save our constitution. Constitution Amendment 3 offends the spirit of the liberation struggle. It is vulgar. The constitution belongs to the people. It does not belong to a president. Elected MPs, senators, who use the people's mandates to betray the people will be judged harshly. We did not spend our careers defending this nation's constitution to watch a cabal mutilating it. Constitutional amendment is exactly the same as Ian Smith's UDI. Constitutional Amendment 3 is a project of a cabal of unelectable people. Constitutional Amendment is a decree. Toma developments and mnangagwa panguva ino. Pinda comment section medu za any more kulipa mzuri pechitiko ichi. Musa subscribe or like kwa channel on the bell.